students, welcome to our fun Arduino class. Today's project is called Touchless Calling Bell using IR sensor. We will make a smart calling bell that rings when it detects someone near it. No need to touch. It uses a sensor called an IR sensor. To make this project, we need Arduino Uno, IR sensor, buzzer, breadboard, a few male-to-male jumper wires, a dumb cable, USB cable to upload the code from our computer to the Arduino Uno. What is an IR sensor? An IR infrared sensor detects the infrared light. It sends out infrared light and sees if it bounces back from something near it. It acts like a mini motion detector. It gives a slow signal which is 0 when object is detected. It gives high signal 1, no object detected. That helps the Arduino decide, someone's here, ring the bell. No one's there, stay silent. Now let's connect our components. We are going to connect a buzzer, an IR sensor to a breadboard and Arduino Uno. Step 1. Connect the buzzer. Take two male-to-male jumper wires. Connect one wire to the positive terminal of the buzzer. And the other to the negative terminal. Now plug both wires into the Arduino Uno. Positive wire pin 5 of Arduino Uno. Negative wire GND of Arduino Uno. This allows the Arduino to turn the buzzer on or off. Step 2. Connecting the IR sensor. Take your IR sensor module and place it on the breadboard. Now use 3 jumper wires to connect the IR sensor to the Arduino Uno. VCC to 5 volt pin of Arduino. GND to GND pin. Out to digital pin 2. The IR sensor sends a signal to Arduino when it detects an object. Final check before uploading code. IR sensor VCC to 5 volts, GND to GND, out to pin 2. Buzzer positive to pin 5, negative to GND. All jumper wires are firmly connected. Breadboard connections are clean. Now to connect your Arduino to the computer. Take the USB dumb cable and connect one end to the Arduino Uno board. Connect the other end of the USB cable to your computer's USB port. This connection powers your Arduino and allows your computer to communicate with it. Now let's open the Arduino IDE. Time to upload the code. So we will start with our first line. Int IR sensor equal to 2, which is IR sensor is connected to pin 2. Int buzzer pin equal to 5, which means buzzer is connected to pin 5. Int sensor value equal to 0, used to store the sensor reading 0 or 1. Void setup function runs when Arduino turns on. Serial begin 9600. Opens the serial monitor for debugging. Pin mode buzzer pin output, which means tells Arduino to control the buzzer. Pin mode IR sensor, which is input. It tells Arduino to read from the IR sensor. Void loop keeps checking the IR sensor over and over. Digital read IR sensor reads the sensor. 0 equal to something is in front and 1 equal to nothing is there. Serial println sensor value displays the result in serial monitor. If sensor value equal to 0, if someone is detected to buzz the bell. Else, if no one is detected, buzzer stays off. Delay 200, which is wait 0.2 seconds before checking again. What happens overall? Arduino keeps reading the IR sensor. If someone comes close, buzzer rings. If no one is nearby, buzzer stays silent. Serial monitor shows 0 or 1 as the sensor detects the movement. Time to upload the code. Click the tick button to verify the code. If all is good, you'll see done compiling. Then click the upload button, right arrow. Use the USB cable to upload the code. What you'll see in the serial monitor. 0 equal to object detected, buzzer rings. 1 equal to no object, buzzer off. Put your hand in front to 0. Move your hand away to 1. Testing the touchless calling bell. Bring your hand near the IR sensor to buzzer rings. Move your hand away to buzzer stop. Check the serial monitor values live. Summary: you just built a touchless calling bell using Arduino and IR sensor. This is similar to automatic doorbells used in some homes and offices. No need to press anything. Awesome job, young innovator!